Hi guys. So today our topic is about how to create a login or sign up pop-up form WordPress. So let's begin. So let me show you the site. So after watching this complete video, we'll get login and registration pop-up form. So let me show you here. You can see now we are logged in. So you can see the the logged in menu on here. So log out and my account. So when I click on log out, so you will see the login menu here. So here you can see register. So click on register. You will the pop-up, the registration form pop-up will appear here. And when you click on login, the login pop-up form appear here. So I want to log in again. So I will click on sign in. I am logged in here as well. Again. So let me show you how can we create this. So I will go to my plugins, then click on add new plugin. So here I will search for the plugin name called login popup. So let me search for the plugin login popup. So let me show you the plugin. So I already installed and activated the plugin. So here, let me show you. Here is the plugin login sign up popup inline form plus WooCommerce by Zootix. You can see that. So let me show you the features of the plugin now. So let me go to the plugins, and from here let me go to the plugin settings. So here if you want to change any one of these settings, so you can each section. So here you can scroll the form pattern, so the navigation pattern, the short codes replace from short code, login redirect, register redirect. So you can check all of these when you go to the style. So button design, if you want to change the button design, you can make it custom. I am using the theme design now. So here the pop-up style, so you can change the pop-up width, pop-up height, custom pop-up height, pop-up padding, background color, each and everything. So you can change from here. So in advanced tab, you can add the custom CSS and info. We have the info here, and let's let me show you how can we create this. So first of all, you need to go to your appearance and go to the menus, and here you need to create a new menu. So I already created a new menu and name it logout and add the logout and my account. So here you can see logout my account. Here you can see these. So basically you will get these here on the login and sign up pop-up. So add the login, the logout and my account from here and add to the menu. So let me go to the template section. So I want to show you how can we create this section. So here I will click on edit with Elementor. So now I will remove this upper section here and I will show you again. So how can we add this? So let me delete this container and let me click on publish. And now let me refresh this. Now you can see we have home, about, products, store, and contact us. So now we don't have the upper section. So then I will click on plus icon. Then I will click on plus icon and I will click on flexbox and I will choose these four containers. Here it is. And I will click on six dots here. I will go to my style tab and I will click on background tab, and here I will just change the color a little bit like this. And I will click on this container here and I will make it 40 here as well. And this section I will make it 40, and here in this section I will make this section the width 10, and here 10 as well. So here it is. So now I want to add a menu here. So I want to add a list here. I will go back to my widget and I will search for the widgets at the list. So here I will insert the icon list here. So I will remove the third item, and in the layout I will click on inline. Now you can see, and I will click on this section, the container section, and I will make it center. And here I want to add my email, so I will search for envelope here in the icon section. I will add this and click on insert, and I will write my email here. So here it is, and in the next item I want to add my phone number, so I will search for in the icon list. I will add this one, and here I will insert my number. Here it is. So now in the next container, here in this container, I will go back and I will add a menu here. So you can use this the navigation menu if you are using the Elementor free version. So or if you can, so this section is header and footer plugin. So you can use that plugin. But I have the Elementor Pro, so I will use this section here, the WordPress menu, and then in the menu section I will look for the logout menu. So I will insert my logout menu here. Same as it is, I will go to justify content, make it center, and on here I will make it on the right section. So in the pointer section here, I will make it none. And in this section, I'll go back and again I will search for the list. Here I will insert. Now I will remove this one, I will remove this one, and here I will write register. Here it is, and here in the icon section, I will search for register. I will add this icon here. Here you can see, and I will make it center as well. Same as it is, I will copy this section and I will add this section, and I will make it center as well. So here it is. So now I want to change this section and I will write here log in, and here in the icon section I will search for sign in. So let me, here is sign in icon. I will add this and I will click on publish. So now I will go back and refresh my website. Now you can see the register, login, log out my account, but login and register, it's appearing here and these are not working. So how can we do that? I will go back to my plugin section. I will go to the plugins again and I will go to my login and sign up plugin. So let me show you. In here is the plugin. I will go to the settings, and here I will go to the info, and here you can see the classes of login and register. I will copy the register class, copy it. I will go back here, and here on the register section, click on here, go to advanced tab, and here in CSS class, when I insert the class here, the register button will disappear here, register item. So let me on now, because we are already logged in and registered as well. Same as it is in the login section, I will go to advanced, and here I will copy the login class, and here in advanced I will paste. That's gone as well. I will click on publish and I will refresh my website. Now you can see we are logged in. Click on logout. So now register and login, you can see. Click on register, the register button will appear. Click on login, the login pop-up form will appear here. So now how can you change this image here? So when you go to your style tab here, and in this section, let me show you how can we change this. So here you can see sidebar image, select image, go to media library. I want to insert this image, for example. I want to insert it here and I will click on save settings. Let me see if it is changed or not. Let me check it again. Style tab, and here let me again insert it. So I will insert this 42.jpg and I will click on save and refresh my tab, and I will log out and I will log in again. So now you can see the picture is changed. So you can change the width and height as well. So let me go back here again. Let me log in. Let me show you the mobile preview. Here you can see. Let me show you here. So here it is. So now we are logged out. But this is, I am not telling you how can we make the mobile menu optimized. So now I am not focusing on this. I am just showing you the login and pop-up button. So when you click on login, so you can see it's totally optimized. So if you want to see how we can create a menu, uh, how can we create a header, so you can watch my other videos. So I have created many videos how can we create header and footer in WordPress. So now I am just focusing on login and pop-up. So you can see here is the register form, totally optimized, login as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.